Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got something exciting for you iPhone users out there. I'll be showing you how to get the internet speed meter bar on your iPhone after the iOS 17.1.1 update. Alright, to get started, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Traffic Monitor, and look for the app with the widget feature. It's crucial to install this specific app. Once it's downloaded, open the app and scroll down to accept the necessary permissions. Now that you've installed the app, go back to the home screen and open the app. Tap on the Edit option, then Customize, and finally, the plus icon to add the Speed widget. Once you've done that, tap Done. Scroll down, and you'll notice the internet speed meter bar on your iPhone. Let me demonstrate. Here's the internet speed bar on my iPhone after the iOS 17.1.1 update. It's a neat way to keep track of your internet speed right on your home screen. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to get the internet speed meter bar on your iPhone after the latest update.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.